Okay, example 3, the speeds of 40 cars as they pass a checkpoint are shown in the frequency distribution table. It says below but to the right. There you go. How many cars are there?
40.
40, how do we know?
40.
It says right there, speeds of 40 cars. So we know how many cars there are. A frequency distribution table simply tells you how many things did something. So cars between 25 and 30, there were 4 of them. Between 30 and 35, there were 10. Between 35 and 40, there were 11. Between 40 and 45, 8. 45 and 56, and 50 and 55, 1. And how many cars had a speed greater than or equal to 25 and less than 30? So for question A, greater than or equal to 25, less than 30 would be this interval here.
Should be
4 cars.
And the answer is 4. So A is 4. Part B, what was the mode interval? Mode being the one that happens the most, right? So which interval happened the most?
35 to 40
35
miles
to
per hour.
40, right? So there's our mode interval right there because it's the tallest one. So for part B, 35 miles per hour to 40 miles per hour.
Can we just put a line through 2? Like instead of 2, put a line? Like 240? Like you put
Oh,
a
like
dash.
35-40?
Yeah.
I suppose. 35 miles per hour dash 40 miles per hour. I suppose. It is easier to do that than just write the word 2 out. So yeah, that's fine. It means the same thing, yeah. For question C, what percent of the cars drove at a speed less than 40 miles per hour? So how do we find percent?
You take how many there are that they're asking for out of the whole times x over 100.
So for percent, we're looking for part over whole equals the percent over 100, right? That's just a percent proportion. Anytime we know the percent of something happening, the part that matches the description divided by how many things there are equals percent over 100. So if I create this percent proportion, what's the whole?
It's 25 out of 40.
Oh, so the whole is 40. Okay, so we know it's out of 40 because there's speeds of 40 cars. So the whole is how many cars are all together. And remember, you got 25 how?
By adding up the 11, 10, and 4.
Very good. So it says less than 40 miles an hour, so that means that these places here, so what we're looking at is all 3 of these bars. And there's 4 in this one, there's 10 in this one, there's 11 in this one. 11 plus 10, 21 plus 4 is 25. So 25 cars went at a speed of 40 miles an hour or less. And the percent is what we're looking for, so P over 100. And just like that, we got a nice little proportion. We cross multiply. 40P is going to equal 2,500.
And maybe it's 62.5.
Is 62.5?
Yep.
And when you use percent proportion, you do get an actual percent. You don't have to modify the number whatsoever. What you get is your answer. So if they ask any kind of percent questions, that's how you handle that. If they didn't tell me 40 cars, I could have found that also by adding up all the bars. 8 plus 6 plus 1 makes 15, added the 25 makes total 40 speeds there. So we can find the whole if they don't tell us. Keep that in mind.